the, for instance, specific date. For instance, June 14, it will schedule meetings. And then under account, you just have to type, so what program is that? So for example, that HIV. Example, that induction training, LGU. And then you can have, for instance, study, so induction, planning for induction.
Kasi itong hindi kasi namin activate yung quarter system kasi wala talaga tayo.
For instance, Cotabato City. Description and then set a schedule and save. So for instance, that is from 9 to 12 p.m. and save. And then that will automatically be listed in your planning for be available in your calendar. Let's go back to the dashboard by clicking on
NDKC Community Extensive Services. Pwede yung boys man din. Pero wala. Before daw sila mag-okay. Alamin daw, antay pa daw sila ng feedback.
Uwi na kami.
Ay, na kayo?
okay.
Kasi
So
busy
we'll
kami
now
po.
proceed with the module or the monitoring tools module, since all of these modules
Wala kang bakit.
will be the responsibility of the project officer to updated. So for you as a regional in the region, your responsibility will be the other tabs like the program tab. So first is the BPLS, LG Quarterly Progress Book. So let's try to enter data from. So everyone under the BPLS tab, click on BPLS LGU Quarterly Progress Report,
Yan ang
and then
ipapalapit
that
kay
will
Mayor
lead you to the list of the existing
Hindi. Kung mag-seminar
or
sila, webinar
of the
nila,
initially
may module sila,
created
ganito ang
Quarterly
paraan.
Progress
Ito,
Report. So if there's no
ito sir,
initial
ito na
yet
sa
on your
region,
part,
ito yung MDG, BPLS, HIB, LGRC, DRM. Ganito na ang reporting natin papunta doon ng region. Yan, diyan na siya ilalagay. So, online, paperless. Doon lang kami mag-generate ng
so we have actions here,
nung may papel,
create
LGU
BPLS,
topics.
view, and then import. So if you want to put your record,
Webinar. Yan ang webinar.
Oh, ito na, amo ni webinar ga. Amo ni no. Oh, amo ni. Oh, ganito may scale ng resource speaker ni kasalita. Tingin na
so
kami sa
as
screen
discussed
niya.
earlier, let's follow the naming convention. So for instance, for for our example earlier, Region 7, Cebu City, BPSS, view that we're reporting for second quarter,
Query mo.
2013.
Pindutin mo ito. Oh. Kung meron kayo.
Select the program name, so nationwide, you can simply type in here, ayan. And then, click date accomplished.
Gusto nila masagot ang concern nila para ma-determine nila capacity nila.
The name of LGU, so for instance, it's Cebu City, province is Cebu,
11
and then Region 7. So for instance, on your part, for your trial data entry, please provide, please select an LGU within your region. Okay, so is everybody in the create BPLS LGU quarterly progress report.
Ano daw? After task creation, save it and move on to, nakuha mo ga? To BPLS, ha? Girecord mo yung tanan?
Um,
Ano yung sabak
yes, so
ko?
from Caraga
Yes,
10,
ma'am.
alright. So, after your entry, I will expect, right now I believe we have 20 records in the LGU quarterly progress report. So, after everyone has entered the complete data, so I should be able to see additional records. So you just have to click save. There's 21 right here. So ayan, I see the score from region 6. Natapos na rin po ba sila? Please type in done in
Done.
the chat box once completed. Alright.
Done, char. Paano na matapos?
Got that from region 12.
Tapos, pero, ano naman, makita mo yung itsura nila.
Ano yung itsura nila?
Yung resource
Nakalimutan ko
speaker.
lagyan ng OIC ito, baka hindi niya pirmahan.
Ano gani? Ano ngayon, makundi. Hindi kailangan ng presensya. Nabalik ko sila rin. Alam ko lang. Ay, sugar ito. Ay, cream. Bilib lang ako sa iyo. Dalawa pa talaga kayo, ha?
Ha?
Dalawa pa talaga kayo. Paano kung wala si Rina ito eh? Wala din nangyari.
Alright, so I'll give you 2 more minutes to complete the BPLS form. Please save your the record. You don't need to fill up the other fields. Just fill up the required fields.
Ito na ang mag-build up ko. Ganito. Kaya pala gusto ko dahil ito mag-build up ng data.
Ayun, meron ulit bag save. I see that from how about the other regions po? Please reply in our chat box.
Wala pa, ano na. Wala pa, yan. I-add ko na.
Alright. Yun, I see 23 records.
Ano sa mga couple person?
Okay na ako. Ano po yung iba? Are you able to enter data?
Okay, dito.
Ikaw lang ba nagkakaroon dyan? Ikaw lang. Kaya ko
Ha? Kuha na lang.
Meron pa doon ang merienda rin. Yung mo ko dyan.
Marami dito na.
Yung mo ko yan.
Okay, so I'll show you in a bit yung how to import.
Pwede ako develop, hindi ko kunin. May pan,
So,
hindi para
just
sa
click on import mode.
Bigay niya ako pan.
Start.
May tinapay daw siya para sa... Ano, magkakit klaro.
It will take
Yan din masyado.
a bit. You have to remove the IT and then you will
Paano din pan mo? May pakanto ko na
see the information and then read the content at the bottom.
Guwapa, kabugay.
And see.
Namangkot-mangkot ka. Ano dalawang tamo ka?
And then go back to your browser. Browse. Select the file. Import only. And then click next. Okay. And then click next. Okay. So after we should just have to map the field. You just have to identify which one are. So the most important fields that you tag are yung etong mga information po nito, yung unified information form, and then number of steps, and yes, technically available. And then after that, just have to click next. And then import now.